So now let's talk about the problem of the day. Remember, your job during this time is to participate by thinking, responding to questions out loud, and comparing what we talk about to how you approach the problem of the day. You're brilliant and you might have thought about the problem in a different way. That doesn't mean your way is wrong, but you should be making sure it's accurate and clear by comparing your work to the work we look at together now. So, how many hundreds grids would it take Keyshawn to make 1,000? How do you know? Say it out loud. Right. He would need 10 hundreds grids to make 1,000 because there are 10 hundreds and 1,000. Okay. Well, we know we don't want to write every number between 1 and 1,000 because that would take a really long time. Let's think about some numbers that we would want to write that would make these hundreds charts useful. So we'll start with 1 and end with 100 because those are the first and last numbers in this grid. What other numbers would be helpful to fill in so that if we did want to know where a specific number went, we could easily find it? Say it out loud. Yeah, some of you probably said we could fill in the tens. Let's go ahead and do that. So we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay. Well, why are the tens useful here? Say it out loud. Yeah, tens are good benchmark numbers, aren't they? They're easy to think about, and we can use them to help think about where other numbers would go on this chart. For example, how could we use these benchmarks to find where the number 83 would go? Say it out loud. Yeah, first we go to the 80 that we marked on the chart, and then count up 1, 2, 3. 83, right there. Great. So, what if Keyshawn wanted to label the number that is 200 more than 83? What number would he be labeling then? Say it out loud. Yeah, 283. Well, how did you know that without writing it down and working out the addition? Say it out loud. Yeah, there's no hundreds in the number 83, so if you add 2 hundreds to it, you get 283. So the problem of the day and the question I just asked you are helping us to start thinking about problems that deal with place value. And to help us do this, I want to define a few terms. Let's start with this. Place is the location of a digit within a number. Read it with me. Go. Place. The location of a digit within a number. So this is the hundreds place, this is the tens place, and this is the ones place. Okay. Place value. Place value is the value of a digit based on its location. Read it with me. Go. Place value. The value of a digit based on its location. So the place value of this digit is 200 because it's in the hundreds place. The place value of this digit is 80 because it's in the tens place. 8 tens is 80. The place value of this digit is 3 because it's in the ones place. Last, digit. It's a numeral between 0 and 9. Read it with me. Digit. A numeral between 0 and 9. So this is the digit 2, this is the digit 8, and this is the digit 3. So thinking back to when we added 200 to 83, why didn't any of the other place values change when we added the extra 200? Say it out loud. We were only adding hundreds, and we only added 2 of them. So we didn't need to regroup any place values or change anything else. And what 2 hundreds would 283 be in between? How do you know? Say it out loud. Sure, it's between 200 and 300, because when we count, 283 comes between 200 and 300. We also know there's already a 2 in the hundreds place, and the next highest hundred would be 300. Go ahead and click on the arrow to move to the next slide.